Aluminum Hanica panels, moisture-proof and corrosion-resistant. In the face of humid weather, aluminum Hanica panels are still strong, suitable for various environments, making the wall more durable, high appearance, and many choices. A variety of colors and textures to choose from, making your space instantly advanced. Aluminum Hanica panels are beautiful, durable, and environmentally friendly. A good choice for walls. If you are interested, comment.